Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add members to SharePoint groups. So to do that we just have to head over to the site permissions, come over to advanced permission settings. Once we do that we're going to see all of the groups that have site level permissions. However, there may be cases where you have a group that doesn't have any permissions at a site level and hasn't been used at a file level or at a page level, but you still want to be able to go in and add members to that group. All you have to do for that is, well, there's a few different ways you can do it. One of the ways you can do it is just come over to one of these groups, and then you can see we have this other group over here called Hidden Group, which didn't show up here, right? I wonder why. The reason for that is this group doesn't have any site level permissions, so it's not going to show up there. However, we can still make changes to it, so that way once we add this group to a file level or a folder level or a page level, it already have the members in it that we want. So once you're on the groups edit page here, you have a few different options, but to add the new members, you just come over here to new, do add users to group. And you can add multiple users to the group if you want to. So we have Brad Pitt. Yeah, I think those are the only two people we added. I think we only added a couple actor names on here. And then what you can do from here is you can actually include a personalized message that will be included in an email to those users. You can just let them know you've been added to such and such group. And because you've been added to such and such group, you now have access to these folders or these files. Or you can just toggle this off and then just add them to the group, and they'll never know they've been added to the group unless they try to access the site or you tell them. So once you have the members selected that you want to add to the group, just come over to share. And now we have myself, George Clooney, and Brad Pitt in this group. And if you want to come over to one of the other groups, you can go back to the site permissions like I showed you, or you have over on the left side here, you have some other groups where you can go ahead and add members to the groups as well, the other groups as well. And if you want to go ahead and just remove a user from a group, let's come over here to visitors. Let's say that we want to remove a member from this group. We can just come over here to remove users from group. Click yes. And that member has been removed from the group.